Hey everyone, today we got something really nice and stylish, which is a foldable dining table that it's all about saving space and looking great that we received recently for event purpose, which I think that it's really nice, okay? So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what comes inside of it, and we get all the pieces that we're gonna need to do this installation, all the hardware that it's needed, which I think that it's nice, okay? When it's fully open, this table easily seats up to 6 people, which can be perfect for family dinners or any kind of gathering. It has these rounded edges with soft curves and no sharp corners, so it's perfect for kids and pets. Do you need a little desk or a coffee spot? You can just fold one side down and bam, it's a workspace or even a cozy nook. You can fold both sides completely and it can transform into a space-saving console so you can place it up on the wall. It comes with 4 built-in 360 degrees wheels, which makes it really easy to move. You can roll it wherever you need it and then lock 2 of the wheels and it will stay put without any kind of wobble. It's built tough with a solid steel frame, 80mm premium MDF tabletop, and holds up to 150 pounds. So it's practical for meals, work, or even entertaining. It has a hidden cabinet underneath that can fit up to 4 folding tables and a top shelf with a space so you can storage, and that way you can maximize your space. The proper assembly process is pretty straightforward. It comes with the labeled part, all the hardware that you're gonna need, and a really clear instructions with all the steps that we're gonna need to follow to do this installation, which I think that it's nice. And just a quick tip, you can have a power drill, and with a second pair of hands you can do it in no time. To wrap it up, I think that it's super practical, looks clean and modern. It works really nice in small spaces without feeling cramped or anything. And whether you're hosting a dinner, working from home, or just need something compact, flexible, this table gets the proper job done. It's definitely worth it if you are short on a space but still want something that feels sturdy and stylish. And overall, I think that it's really nice and I would really recommend that, guys.